Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And now I am need to look driver Lexmark. This is here for serial. You type here the driver to look. That's why I'm search the official website for you. I'm like download the official website. The official website not a virus and easy to download for the official website. And this here official website you click here, and this why and this here for the printer. Here for the printer you scroll down. This here for the title support. Click here for the title, and the website loading. This here for the title driver and builder. Click here, and this here for the search by the face model, and this here for the tag your automatic operating system and my operating system for Windows 10. If you make the operating system for Linux or Macintosh or the Windows 11, this here for the tag automatic your the operating system. And this here for the printer support your printer and scanner, and this here for the printer recommended for you. And if you need download, click here for download the driver package, and this here for all operating system support. This here for the Windows 10, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 8.1, and this here for Windows Server support. This here for the new version Windows 11. And if you need download, click here for the driver, click here for button start download, and this here for your driver download. If you need install, therefore for the your printer, you turn on the power printer, you put cable USB printer to laptop or PC, laptop or PC take the USB cable printer and please white finish there for the load. If you finish there for the load, you double click here, you click next and you click finish. This here for the you click file, you click next and you click finish. This here for the take automatic your USB cable printer. Okay. If you need question, comment below. If you need link, download below description the video. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe my channel. See you by next time the video.